the best part is I've created some lifelong friendships that I'll keep with me forever, and I'm so grateful to Function Well for that. Hi, I'm Zanna and I'm Function Well's Legend of the Quarter. As a nurse, I have a super stressful job, so I find training a hobby because I just find that everything just melts away when you're there. So you can just concentrate on having fun and all the movements, especially at Function Well. Everywhere you go, everyone's smiling, which I really love as well. I've never competed before, so when I came to Function Well, there was a huge community vibe, and there was all these comps kind of popping up and everyone was getting involved and everyone seemed to love it. And when I did the dry try, it was honestly like I wasn't competing at all. Like, it was just such a fun vibe and everyone was just moving their bodies for fun. I love doing Pilates to strengthen my core for CrossFit. That's why I started it. I do yoga, I do boxing, I do the strength and conditioning to learn how to use all the machines. Ever since I joined Function Well, it's not only been the community, it's also been the coaches that I love. So I've never done Pilates before, and all the Pilates instructors has helped me so much. Same in CrossFit, I'd never done CrossFit before, and the coaches have been so supportive, and I can't believe how much my skills have excelled because of all the help that they've given me.